checked here. Get your left leg shorter than the right. Something's going on with your left pelvis in there. Okay, just take some deep breaths in and out. Turn your head to the left for me. Okay, now to the right. Okay, back to middle. Yeah, left side more than the right?
Yeah. Probably because I do my takedowns too much.
Okay, take a big breath in. Exhale. One more, big breath. Okay, let's have your left side up.